Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I am going to explain the base of the law of divine oneness, namely physical universe, energetic universe and universal mind. So let's get started. Number 1. Physical universe. The origin of the universe is the origin of everything. The widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang theory. The universe began as a hot and dense single point about 13.9 billion years ago. This dense point exploded, and that's the origin of our universe. Before that, we all were inside that single dense point. This mobile, this laptop, your bed, your family, this earth, this sun, everything was one. We were and are one. Now, base number 2, energetic universe. The quantum physics do not emphasize universe into physical realm or energetic realm, but quantum physics reveals that everything is made up of energy. What we perceive as matter is only an illusion of energy and light, that there is no physical. The scientists look into the matter and into the atoms. They split the atoms into electrons, protons and neutrons. Then they find that electrons, protons and neutrons are made up of quarks. Then they thought, what are quarks made up of? And they found out that fundamentally there is no matter. There is only energy vortex. And what our body is made up of? Atoms, electron, proton and neutrons, quarks, energy vortex. Therefore, everything is energy. Base number 3, universal mind. Now, the energy is measured into frequency and vibrations. But what have frequency and vibrations? Our thoughts have frequency and our emotions have vibrations. And by specific thought of given frequency and emotions having specific vibrations, we create energy vortex. Everything have frequency and vibration, and everything combined makes a huge combination of universal mind having specific divine thought, frequency and specific emotional vibrations. Max Planck, the father of quantum physics, said, all matter origins and exists by virtue of force. We must assume behind that force the existence of conscious and intelligent mind. This mind is the vortex of all matter. We understand now that everything is energy of specific frequency and vibrations. We are humans. We create specific frequency and vibrations. We create energy vortex. If we control our energy vortex, we can control universal mind. We are one as humans. We are one as earth. We are one as sun. And we are the universe. We are one.